The first law's about inertia. Taking this knowledge, you know it won't hurt you. My homies in motion will stay in motion till acted on by the source of a force. The same goes when we at rest, but we never at rest, cause you know we the best.
Gonna give the second law translation. We the fourth generation. We increase directly with mass and acceleration.
This law is the third. Listen up.
Word.
This is something that you gotta get. For every action there's a reaction, equal and opposite.
If you didn't get that and you were like, oh snap, gonna recap for you. My non-rapping friends will say Newton's laws of motion all over again. Word to your mother. Yo!
Okay, so the first law states that an object in motion will stay in motion unless acted upon by an outside force. So our example showed our little bear friend going in a straight line, and she would stay in a straight line unless she was acted upon by an outside force, which she wasn't, so she kept going in a straight line. It also states that an object at rest stays at rest unless acted upon by an outside force. It means if she was just lying there and nothing happened to her, she would just keep lying there.
So, Newton's second law of motion states that force increases directly with mass and acceleration. So this bear knocked the other bear a little bit because it had a smaller mass, causing it to have a smaller force. However, this bear has more mass, which caused the force to be larger, which caused the other bear to go a further distance.
Newton's third law of motion states that every force has an equal and opposite reaction. Therefore, in the example, when the bear hit the ground, he had force, but the reason he bounced is because there was an equal and opposite force that caused him to bounce. This was dedicated to you, Mr. Aura Fizzle.